Thank you, Chairman Sir. I also rise to support this resolution brought in by Honourable Member from Mohoti, that this House do now resolve to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code in the state. Our country has a very unique identity, and that uniqueness comes from the diversity that we have in this nation. Now, honourable members from Mohoti and honourable member from Nong Thamai before me, while discussing on this resolution, have spoken about all the details of how it can affect the peace of the country and how it can even bring conflict. I also have the same thoughts. Now, this Uniform Civil Code has not been passed, but it has been brought to our notice that it may be passed in the near future. Therefore, I think it is very necessary for the members of this Honourable August House to understand what it will bring for us as citizens of the country. We all know that Meghalaya is a very diverse state. We have different communities. If we look at ourselves in comparison with the entire different communities of the country, we see that we are a minority. And we are also a Christian majority state. Now, having said that, we know that even though we are a Christian state, we have different ethnic minorities within the state of Meghalaya. And I think it is only right for us to anticipate what these kind of laws might bring in the near future. So therefore, sir, I think the respect for the diverse community is the glue to the nation. So I will not go into the deep discussion since already other members have spoken about it, but I do believe that the government of the day, in fact, should adopt this resolution like the other state assemblies in the state of Mizoram and Nagaland and Kerala have adopted a resolution opposing to the Uniform Civil Code. So, therefore, I completely agree with the Honourable Member who has brought this resolution, and I support, and with these few submissions, I resume my seat. Thank you.